Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Aujourd'hui, nous apprenons les jours de la semaine en français. Si, commençons. Hi guys, I hope you all are doing fine. Today in this video we are going to learn about the days of the week in French language. So let's get started. You all know there are 7 days of the week. I have listed them here and right in front of them is how we say the days of the week in French. Okay, so let's see. Let's start with the first day of the week, le premier jour de la semaine. Monday, lundi. Monday, lundi. Lundi. Okay? Tuesday, mardi. Mardi. Wednesday, mercredi. Mercredi. Okay? Once again, lundi, mardi, mercredi. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. Okay? Thursday is jeudi. Jeudi. Friday, vendredi. Vendredi. Friday. Saturday, samedi. Samedi. Okay? Once again, jeudi, vendredi, samedi. Jeudi, vendredi, samedi. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Jeudi, vendredi, samedi. And the last day of the week, Sunday, is dimanche. Dimanche. Okay? So, let's do this one again. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay? Let's do it once again, but let's try not to look at the board this time. Okay? Starting from Monday. So, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay? So these are the 7 days of the week in French. Les jours, the days de la semaine of the week en français. The days of the week in French. Okay? Now one final revision. Let's revise. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, let's play a game. I will say any day of the week in English and you have to tell me the French translation for that. Okay? Thursday. Jeudi, correct. Wednesday. Mercredi, excellent. Monday. Lundi. Sunday. Dimanche, good work. So you can play this game with your friends and enhance your learning. This way you'll be able to pick up the days of the week in French real quick. You can play it the other way around, like I'll say the days in French and you can tell me the English translation. So, vendredi, Friday, samedi, excellent, Saturday, mardi, Tuesday, right? So Keep learning, keep playing, and enjoy. So with this very short and quick video, we say goodbye this time. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Do tell me if you like this video, share this video, comment on the video. Do subscribe to our channel Schoolroom Online. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links are given in the description box. Also, you can join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. See you next time.